أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. My dear students, today we are here to discuss about the task 20L. In this task, the author is going to tell us that you can open your previous file which we have saved with the name of task 20K. In that file, that we are going to put only two formulas in the two cells from D3 to D21, in which they are going to display no experience if the experience is less than 5 years, then experience, and if the experience is more than 5, and the last one is that very experienced when the employee's experience is more than 10 or equal to 10. In this, that we are going to use only one condition. It is a if condition. In if condition, we will give the cell addresses over here. As you can see that in here they are going to tell us that if the values or experiences, then in here that greater than equal to 10, then display very experienced, and greater than equal to 5, then display only experience, and if the experience is less than 5, then they will display the message not experience. How they are going to do this? First, we can open our previous task on 20K. Now let's move to our Microsoft Excel software there to open that file. I have opened my file task 20K, in which they have mentioned the formula. If you can remember that only if and bracket parenthesis that C3 greater than is equal to 10, very experienced, and then not experienced. Now they are going to tell us that you are going to put some more values. How we are going to place the values here? Then we will do this. First we will check the formula which we have entered here. I will click on the formulas menu over here, then show formulas. In here you can find that is equal to if, then parenthesis, starting parenthesis, C3 greater than or equal to 10, then they are going to tell us very experienced, then not experienced. But as we have ordered, we have informed from the author side, then we can do some changes here. And in here, in this formula, in this function, we can add two more if conditions. How we can add? Now let's see that what should be happen if we can more than here. Now first of all, that I am going to click on here, double click, it will be show you like this. In here, that look what I am going to do. C3 greater than or equal to 10. As you perform that, it will be greater than or equal to 10. The experience should be greater than or equal to 10. Then they are going to show us that very experienced. The message will be shown that very experienced. Then after that the comma, I am going to type again the if condition. If, then open parenthesis, and I will type here C3 the same, and I am going to type here that what should be the yes, what should be the yes. Then we are going to type here that for the experienced and not experienced. Then for that we are going to type here that greater than or equal to, or we can say that less than or equal to 5. Then they are going to show us after comma that not experienced, less than or equal to 5. It will be not, but no, that is not fine. You are going to erase that. That is equal to only 5. Okay, then if the experience is less than 5, they will show us the message not experienced. Then we will move forward little bit over here, and we can type another parenthesis. The bracket will be over here, that if open parenthesis and then C3 greater than or equal to 5 and then comma, inside a bracket that I am going to type that experienced. Experience and then bracket close. Then you can type here, move little bit here, and then again the double colon, then what should be here, that E, and at the end that experienced I have typed. Then now I am going to place 2 more brackets for it, that 1 and then 2. When I am going to enter or press my enter key, now look what is be happened, that they are not going to show me the result because I have on the formula shows. When I am going to off it, the computer will show me not experienced because is less than 5. The 3 is less than 5. If I want to replicate that formula from D2 to D21 till here, that what should be happen? Now click on it and you can drag the same formula bar over here till D20. Okay, now if you can see that the computer have showed us with the front of 3 that not experienced, then the 2 not experienced, 12 less than greater than or equal to 10 is very experienced, 5, 7, 5, 6 it's experienced because we have placed a formula that greater than or equal to 5, then it will be show us the experienced in here. Then not experienced is for the less than you can say that the 5, then the computer will show us. If you can find that how the formula is going to be generated over here, then you are going to click on show formulas. Now it's C4 because C4 is here, the value is 2, then as per there, then they are going to show us the formula, that how it will be possible that they will get the experience. 3 will be performed over here, 12 for C4. Then if you can say that the C4 is here, then 12 C5, then C6, C7, C8, C9 and till C21, then the computer is going to get the formula and the number C21. The C21, if you can check that greater than or equal to 10, no, it will be false. C21 is less than 5, yes, it will be shows us less than 5, then the computer will show us the result of not experienced. And if it will be true less than 5, the computer will show us not experienced for that too. Now just check, yes, not experienced. Did you have seen that when we are going to place the formulas, they are going to tell us about all these things. Now you can manage them and you can explain by your own practices for the upcoming examinations, and you will also that type and learn and practice these formulas in your home for your upcoming examinations for the CIE, which will be started in the May now, inshallah. After that, when we have changed the formula, we have done some changes, we are going to save file with the name of task 20L. File, save as chapter 21, then it's 20k will be here. I am going to erase k and then I will type L, then it's 20L, and then save. When I am going to save it, the computer will show me the name over here, the task 20L. In this, we have performed a if condition inside in the if condition, and then we have used the parenthesis for 3 times because we have used 3 if conditions, 1, 2 and 3, and in each if condition we have placed our conditions. If the experience is less than 5, then it will be show us not experienced. If the experience is greater than or equal to 5, not greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5, then they are going to show us experienced, like this 7 is experienced, it's okay. Then the other value which we have pulled over here for the condition is greater than equal to 10. If the experience is greater than or equal to 10, then they will show us very experienced. Now in this table we will just count that how much we have the very experienced employees over here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and only 5 employees are over here that who have a greater than or equal to 10 years experienced. Now that the experienced one, that how many employees have who have the experience more than or equal to 5 years, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and only 7 employees we have. And now check what about those employees that who have less than 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, and 8. We have 8 employees, those who have less than 5 years experience. Now in this we have also performed if condition inside in a if condition and then close the parenthesis, because when you are going to start any if condition, then you will also close it first, then the other, then the second and then the third one. If you like my video and you can understand the concept of the if condition inside in a if condition with the different scenarios, then you can like, you can share, you can subscribe and also press a bell icon that you will get notification for my new coming videos. Take care and Allah Hafiz.